Yo, what's up guys? It's me Boris and welcome in today's trade recap. It's nearly midnight in Poland, but I'm not gonna miss an upload. So yeah, that's why I'm recording it. Today I took one trade. I made 2050 bucks on it. I'm up 1.1k on this account. Mm, so yeah, I'm not really looking at PNL right now. Like I really wanna focus on trading my strategy and following my rules. But it's pretty nice to see some, positive number. Um, and yeah, so let's go over the day. Can do it like this, to be honest. Yep. So coming into today, I was pretty bearish because we are rejecting of the no, it's later. Damn, how do I do this? Wait a second. Okay, let's do it like this. We are rejecting off of this daily fair value gap. I know that on ES we haven't tapped it yet. Yeah, we didn't even tap it today. So it was possible for me to enter longs to those highs, but yeah, I was because we have nearly equal lows, equal highs, but I was pretty bearish, especially after a move like this tomorrow, yesterday's night. Mm, we also had this big bearish SMT. So yeah, my initial thought was to enter some sort of shorts, but I never got an entry. There was one possible entry, which was after this 15 minutes fair value gap getting tapped. You could enter in this 1 minute inversion, but it's more of like a patty swing trade, and I don't trade this model. Um, but yeah, I know that it was a really good trade to take, and if you took it, let's go. But yeah, then my draw on liquidity was obviously this low, and where is it? And this low on ES. And we took it on ES without any pullback, and we created a big bullish SMT. And from there, I knew that we will wanna go higher, so I was looking for some sort of entry. We created a nice manipulation leg right here, so here was the small initial move up. Then we manipulated to the downside. There was no SMT, but it was definitely good enough for me because it's obvious manipulation leg. From there, I looked for some sort of inversion, and I got this beautiful inversion for value gap. So wait, I entered right here. Yep. Okay. So after we invert this 30 seconds for value gap, I entered longs. I was targeting this intermediate high. There was also a very good price target, which was this 15-minute fair value gap, but ES was just going higher and like was leading, so I didn't want to, be greedy. It was also a 2-to-1 risk reward trade, so it was pretty solid. As you can see, Nasdaq is slowly building up, and yeah, ES was just pushing like crazy. But yeah, if you take profit at this 50-minute fair value gap, you would also win, but you would have to hold for how much? How long? 2 hours instead of 10 minutes. So, I catch the fastest move today. And yeah, I've been trading really good for the past 4 days. I know that I started losing streak, but I will just follow my rules and do the same thing over and over again, and it will pay off. I am on a day 4 out of 60, so a long way to go, but I know that I am able to make it, and that's all that matters. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching, and let's see you tomorrow. Yo.